Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today I am going to tell you about a new airdrop which is Uniswap. I am not 100% sure that it is legit or not, but it's free, so I think you should join this. So let's get started. First, join our Telegram channel. The link will be given in the description. Then find this post and copy this link from there. Copy this link and then go to your Chrome browser and paste it. After complete loading, this type of interface will come. Then you have to translate it into English. Then scroll down and you will find this box where you have to submit your Ethereum address from Trust Wallet or MetaMask. So I'll copy my Trust Wallet address. Paste your Ethereum address in this box and press on this submit button, and you are done. You have successfully joined the airdrop. That's your referral link. You can earn more UNIF token by referring your friends and family. You can invite up to 30 people, and for each invite you will earn 10 UNIF. If this airdrop turn out to be a legit one, then you guys can earn a good amount of money. So everybody join it. Only one day left, so hurry up. You will find the joining link of this airdrop in the description, and obviously don't forget to join our Telegram channel. I'll give every update of this airdrop there, so join it right now, and thank you for watching.